Dear fellow students, welcome to the Free University of Berlin. My name is Jun, and I'm currently studying for a master degree in film studies at the Free University of Berlin. In this video, I will introduce you the Center for Independent Language Learning at the Free University of Berlin. This place is very useful for students who want to improve their language skills, especially for international students who want to improve their German language. Here you can find various materials and media to improve your skills. The Center for Independent Language Learning also provides various events, workshops, so that students can exchange their language to practice them. So let's start. So I've already opened the website, but right now it's in German. As usual, you click here to change the language into English. So here you can see the header. Then you click Departments. Under this, you can see Central Facilities. You click it, then here you can see the different facilities. And for today's topic, we're gonna click Language Center. So here you can see the website of the Language Center. Here is the basic information about this, and then you can click into the homepage of the Language Center. Right now it's in German. There are lots of information, but you can also change it into English website. But here you can see there is less information available in English. But still, you can see the topic for this video, Center for Independent Language Learning. You can click into it, then you can see more information about this Center for Independent Language Learning. This is actually a very useful learning place for you to study or to learn language. For example, English, German, and there are different available materials for different languages. There are also computers so that you can watch films in the native language so that you can practice your listening, your reading, and your writing skills. So here you can find more information about this Center for Independent Language Learning. Of course, the location is very important. This location is actually not that easy to find, but you can follow the instructions, then you can find it. There you can use all of the materials. For example, for the language German, you can there are lots of DVDs or DVDs that you can watch directly there. Yes, and also they provide also tandem program. So you can see more information about this program if you want to practice with the native speakers. And also there are some advising and coaching of this center, and also the office hours. For example, you can go there and to get more information directly from the workers. So actually there are much more information available in German. If you know a little bit German, you can use the German website to get more information. Yes, and also this is the search engine of this center. You can find different materials and DVDs for your language learning. So, yes, this is the information of this part. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.